iTero Side-by-Side 3D Compare Tool. This video guides you through the first steps to using the iTero Side-by-Side 3D Compare Tool on your iTero Element Plus series and iTero Lumina scanner. The iTero Side-by-Side 3D Compare Tool is a key component of the Align Oral Health Suite. This suite integrates various proprietary iTero visualization and diagnostic aid tools into a user-friendly, patient-centric interface. The iTero Side-by-Side 3D Compare Tool is available on the scanner, MyiTero.com portal as part of the Align Oral Health Suite. It provides detailed, interactive side-by-side comparisons of historical data compared to current scans and can be used for assessing oral health changes and tracking treatment progress. Showing patients changes in their arches and occlusions from 2 different time points aids them in visualizing oral health changes and potentially increases treatment acceptance. Let's get started on how to use the iTero Side-by-Side 3D Compare Tool. After scanning a patient, tap on the Send and View button or select the Patient or Order tab. Once the Align Oral Health Suite is launched, you can access the 3D Compare Tool by selecting any condition. In this example, let's select the Overview condition. Select the iTero Side-by-Side 3D Compare Tool. The current scan is shown on the right side, and the previous scan is on the left side. The scan date is located on the bottom of each scan. You have the flexibility to customize view options and rotate the 3D model in synchronized mode, or unlink the models and view a specific view on one side and a different view on the other side. This allows you to compare 2 different patient-specific areas across 2 scans from different dates. The iTero 3D Side-by-Side Comparison Tool is a valuable feature for tracking changes over time, sharing details with patients, and building trust while addressing the root causes of oral health conditions. Other features that can be used simultaneously on the iTero Side-by-Side 3D Compare Tool are the iTero Near Infra-Red Imaging NIRI technology and the intraoral camera. Placing the loop over the 3D model enables automatic rotation of the iTero NIRI and intraoral camera images so that they match the orientation of the 3D model. Having the iTero NIRI and intraoral camera views on the screen enables smooth patient interaction while displaying their mouth in a 3D model. The 2 models on the screen together with iTero NIRI technology aid doctors to detect new interproximal carious lesions above the gingiva or to monitor the progression of existing lesions. With the integrated intraoral camera view, doctors can also compare changes in hard and soft tissues, opening or closing of interdental spaces, and changes in the occlusion over time. The iTero Side-by-Side 3D Compare Tool allows you to visualize changes in the oral health status of patients over time by comparing 2 different scans. This visualization helps patients understand the importance of preventing conditions from progressing and obtaining treatment in a timely manner. It starts with iTero.